Hi, in this CAS4 guide video, we'll show you how to use the schedule settings and tools to adjust the options on your schedule. Please note changes in here take effect organisation-wide. From the schedule page, click the settings button on the top right. This will take you to the schedule settings page for your organisation. Now, if you want to export the current schedule data, you can click the Export Schedule button. You'll need to select the start date and end date, and then click the Export button. When the export's finished, an Excel file will download, or you'll be asked if you'd like to save it. Click Yes if prompted. Now I'm going to make some manual changes to the schedule. Planned one and unplanned one. Okay, to delete all manual changes, go back to the settings page and click the Remove Manual Schedule Data button. Now again, be warned, this is organisation-wide. So you'll need to enter your password to continue, read the message and click OK. Once that's deleted, once we go back to the schedule page, we can see the manual changes we put in have been removed. Okay, there's our changes. They're back to how they were. So next, we can remove all automatic schedule data separately if we want to. So to remove that, if we go back to the settings page, we can click the Remove Auto Schedule Data. So again, read the prompt carefully, click OK if you'd like to continue. Now that will wipe all automatically scheduled data for your organisation. However, note it will leave any manual changes you've made. So it will only remove the automatic scheduling data, but any manual changes you've made to individual rooms, it will leave them in place. Okay, so we'll drill down and you'll see that all the schedule information has been wiped. It's been removed. Now you can also remove all automatic and manual schedule data at once by clicking the Remove All Schedule Data button on the schedule settings page. Again, read the prompt carefully and enter your password. Click OK if you'd like to continue. Okay, we'll go back to the schedule and you'll notice the schedule now has no planned audits. So I'll rerun the schedule and we'll pick back up with the schedule start period. Okay, notice here risk category C, the period goes for 3 months starting from January, and risk category D runs for 12 months starting from January. So we can actually change the month in which these periods start. So if you jump back into the settings tab, you'll see here we've got schedule start month, and at the moment it's January. So we're going to change that to March. We'll click save, and then we'll jump back to the schedule and have a look. Okay, so we'll see now that these periods now run from risk category C, December to February, and then starts at March. And risk category D is going to run for 12 months starting from March. So if you do want to adjust those periods, you can. Thanks for watching this guide video. We hope you found it helpful. As always, if you've got any questions, get in touch.